Welcome to your YouTube channel, Learn to Teach a Machine. Please subscribe and click the bell button. Unsupervised cluster algorithm learning. For example, say you have a lot of data about your blog's visitors. So, from your data, would you like to know the group of similar visitors on your blogs? If yes, here is a way called cluster algorithm learning. Cluster algorithm finds those connections on your blog visitors' data, without your help. Let's see some example. You have blog visitors data. Cluster algorithm might notice that 50% of blog visitors are male. Who love comic books and generally read your blog in the evening. While 50% are young female science fiction lovers, who visit during the weekends. If you use a hierarchical clustering algorithm, training method, it may also subdivide each group into smaller groups. For example, out of 50% females, 25% of them are reading your blog for more than 5 hours on a weekend. And out of 25% females, 5% of them are reading more than 10 hours during weekends night. In another way of simple explanation, your blog's visitor data. Cluster algorithm result. Cluster algorithm finds those connections on your blog visitors' data without your help. I hope you might get some idea about cluster algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel. Thank you.